Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video, and for this week's video I've got a challenge for you, a requested one. There has been a request from my lovely online friends. You guys, you are my faithful ones, the ones that keep coming back every week. Thank you. I'm not mad, I'm just, you know, want to make a point. So many of you have either left comments on various videos or DM'd me and said, where are the challenges? Because the year of 2020, I did a whole year of challenges. It was a long journey, but we are here now and my hair is in a better state for it. Usually by now, my hair would have fallen out, right? So I really learned a lot, okay? I learned a lot in those 12 months. I learned so much. I even wrote an ebook. Shameless plug. But now I feel like my hair is ready. It's ready for something new, okay? But actually it's not so new. But anyway, if you want to know what it is, this next challenge, you've got to stay, okay? The challenge is a new hair conditioning tea. I'm naming it that, okay? It's called a hair conditioning tea because it's going to condition your hair because it has a balance of moisture and protein together. Now very quickly, before I show you how I made this hair conditioning tea, the reason why I wanted to use this as a challenge is because I tried it. I tried it earlier on this year and my goodness, I didn't share it and I feel like I need to do it again because it is fantastic. So you know me, I want to share these things with you, you know, a sister doesn't keep it to herself. Let's just get on, gonna roll the film, okay? So for this luxurious hair conditioning tea, I've used an ensemble of ingredients and trust me, they have been well thought out. And first up we have rice protein powder. Rice protein is one of those key ingredients in any hair care treatment that has been known recently to help build your hair and strengthen your hair. Rice protein is a great treatment for your hair because it holds many vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and amino acids. And as we know, these are the building blocks of protein. And along with conditioning the hair, rice protein is fantastic for improving manageability. It is so great at giving your hair the shine and the softness that you need. It's great for detangling, it's a shine enhancer, which is why I've put in rice protein powder. Now I needed to put in bamboo leaf because bamboo is one of those beautiful herbs. It's lovely to drink as a tea and it's fantastic to use topically. Now there's so many benefits for bamboo. Now one of the reasons why I wanted to put in bamboo leaf is because it plays a role at removing pollutants from your hair. Not only that, it removes body oils and chemicals. Bamboo is also known to add a real natural shine and luster to the hair, and its anti-irritant and antioxidant properties is especially beneficial to sensitive and dry scalp. Okay, so the hawthorn berry, okay, because this berry is a powerhouse for blocking DHT, for preventing hair loss. we need that, right? One study in rats found that mountain hawthorn extract stimulates hair growth and increases the number of size of follicles, promoting healthier hair. And it's worth mentioning that the hawthorn berry contains an ingredient called polyphenol, and that is what gives the berry a touch above others because of its benefits to promote healthy hair growth. Now fenugreek, oh my goodness, go on YouTube, just go in the search bar, fenugreek. There's a lot of things out there for it, okay? So I'm not gonna go and talk about fenugreek that much, okay? If you haven't used fenugreek yet, you've got to try it, sis. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of iron and protein. These are two essential nutrients for hair growth. Did you hear that? And those two essential nutrients for hair growth contain a unique composite of plant compounds, including flavonoids and saponins. The fenugreek is good for preventing hair loss, helping your hair grow, keeping your hair on the head, conditioning the hair, giving it the shine, the luster. I mean, it's got a whole lot of things. We've also got marshmallow root, so there's so many benefits for the marshmallow root for hair conditioning because it gives so much slip. Some of the benefits are that it makes your hair soft and flexible. It's great for detangling. It gives lustrous shine. It thickens the hair strands because the mucilage binds the hair strands together. The other thing I love about marshmallow root is it enhances the natural curl in your hair. A little bit like what flaxseed gel does. It really gives great definition. And of course, it is so good for split ends, trust me, because marshmallow root really smoothens down. Then we go on to the hibiscus or the hibiscus, whatever you want to say it. Hibiscus is amazing. I drink hibiscus tea, and the reason why I think hibiscus is so popular, especially in particular these days, I'm seeing more and more of it in hair products and DIYs, is because hibiscus contains a high amount of vitamin C, which supports the production of collagen. It also contains many valuable amino acids that helps the hair repair itself from damage and gives the hair the smoothness. Hibiscus also helps prevent hair loss, and it's fantastic for a pH balance, and it gives your scalp such a great value because it really helps your scalp. I don't need to bore you with aloe vera, but I'm just going to, okay? Aloe vera has been used for treating hair loss for centuries. It is so good because it's packed with 75 amino acids and vitamins and nutrients, and at least about 18 of those nutrients that we need, we don't produce. Aloe vera has it. Aloe vera is a healing plant. It's great for conditioning. It's great for detangling. It helps soothe the scalp. It's great for dandruff. Rosemary. Rosemary, as we all know, stimulates blood circulation to the scalp. It's one of those ingredients that just, you know, kind of pat. It just does that to the scalp and helps the blood flow get right to that area. It's fantastic. Not only does it smell amazing, it promotes hair growth and it has great anti-inflammatory benefits and helps nourish your hair follicles. Okay, so I'm going to be putting in the orange sweet, and the benefits of this orange sweet essential oil provides deep nourishment to your hair follicles, making them thick and strong. Can I hear hallelujah? And I haven't even mentioned that it smells divine. It's such a beautiful, fresh, fruity scent. And I love that because it's one of the very few essential oils that actually dims and dulls the scent of fenugreek, because I just cannot stand that scent. And of course, we're going to be putting in avocado. Avocado oil is extremely rich in oleic acid and monosaccharide fats, making it one of the very few oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft. Avocado is extremely moisturizing and strengthening. Do you see what I'm saying? So here it is in question, this really rich, beautiful conditioning tea. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a little bit more about what the challenge is about. The condition of my hair will be different. I want to see my hair shinier. I want to see my curls be more defined. This looks really lovely. I'm going to be keeping it in the fridge. I'll be doing this for 10 days. I'm going to be applying it in my hair day and night, and anytime I feel like my hair needs a refresh, I'm going to be putting my hair in protective styles just to keep that moisture wrapped up in. But I will be just misting my hair, which is why I've used this particular spray, a really misty spray, so that it just lightly kisses my hair, and then I'll seal it in with some Mel's Butter Me Up cream. But you use any oil that you want to use just to seal in that moisture. You got to seal this in. It's not a rinse, okay? It's a tea that I can use day and night. If your hair is healthy, you will retain the length. So we're not focusing on the growth, we're focusing on health. Isn't that beautiful? So this is what we're going to do. Let me just zoom out for a bit. And there we go. she did. Obviously at night I'm going to be putting on my satin bonnet, and I'm just going to repeat the process for 10 days. Anyway guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. Let me know if you're going to be doing this tea. Where is it? Let me know if you're going to be doing this particular hair conditioning tea. I'm really interested to see how many sisters are doing this challenge with me, because we need to do this together. We've got 10 days to smash it. Okay, we want better healthy hair. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'm so close to 25,000 subscribers, and I have you guys to thank. Many of you are sharing my videos. Thank you so much. So if you're considering to subscribe, stop the consideration and just get on with it, okay? All right guys, I'm going now. You know, the stupid is arriving. I'm gonna be enjoying my bank holiday with my beautiful family. I hope you do too. Not with my family, with your own family. Oh, I'm going now, okay? You see, the stupid is arriving. I'll see you again in my next video, guys. You take care and God bless you. Bye.